So this is the thing. If you simply remember Krishna is teaching Arjuna and Arjuna is hearing, if you simply remember the picture, that is sufficient. Even if you think that you cannot read. Because after all we have to become Krishna conscious. We haven't got to become a learned man to argue with another learned man. If it is possible, we can do that. But that does not make any difference. If I cannot argue with others, or if I cannot teach very nicely Bhagavad Gita to others, simply if I remember this picture, that is perfect. Because we have to become Krishna conscious. We have to simply think of Krishna. You think in any way, that is your perfection. Smartabham satato Vishnu. This is the injunction. You have to think of Vishnu always. This is samadhi. This is meditation. This is yoga siddhi. Perfection of yoga. So one who has learned to think of Krishna always, he is already on the perfection stage. Aradhita jadi haris tapasa tatat kim. If one has come to this stage, just to understand Krishna, the great, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and his surrendered soul, Krishna, whatever you like, you do. I am surrendered. This is Aradhana. Then he doesn't require to undergo any austerities or penance. Everything is finished. And Naradhita jadi haris tapasa tatat kim. And if he does not come to this stage, his so-called scholarship, learned argument, this or that, all nonsense. Finished. Useless. One has to come to this stage. Therefore, Lord Chaitanya embraced the Brahmin. Yes, your study of Bhagavad Gita is perfect. Because one has to come to this stage, thinking of Krishna always. So, if one does not come to this stage, simply academic education, he says it should be like this, the interpretation should be like this, he is simply wasting time. Frog philosopher. One has to come to this stage. Aradhita jadi haris tapasa tatat kim, naradhita jadi haris tapasa tatat kim. So, that is the perfection. Krishna, gopis, if they were cowherds girl, their father and mother, they are only ordinary village men keeping cows, that's all. What is their education? They are not Vedantists. But they learned to love Krishna. That was their qualification. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu certifies Ramya Kaji Dupasana Brajavadhu Gavida. Oh, there is no better worship than that which was contemplated by the gopis. Because they did not know what is Krishna, but they loved Krishna, that's all. They loved Krishna, because Krishna was God or Krishna was something great. No. Their natural affection was for Krishna. They could not stay even for a moment without seeing Krishna. That was the quality. This is Krishna consciousness. One has to come to perfect Krishna consciousness somewhere or other. That is perfection. That is everything. If one always thinks of Krishna, then he is perfect. We should not forget. We have presented so many formulas. Why? Not the formulas are important, but the formulas will help me to remember Krishna always. It's like you are going to sell our magazines. So this magazine selling or taking some contribution is not our business. Our business is that we are spreading Krishna consciousness. People are hearing about something about Krishna. And because we are helping, we are also hearing. We are also benefiting. When you speak somebody about Krishna, then I hear also Krishna. Savanam Kirtanam. We first preliminary steps, hearing and chanting is going on. So in this way, we shall take all opportunities so that 24 hours, whether awakened or sleeping, we shall always think of Krishna. That is perfect. This chanting means always remembering Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Ram. Cooking, I am cooking for Krishna. I am typing for Krishna. I am going to preach for Krishna. I am distributing back to God for Krishna. In this way, always remember Krishna, that's all. That will make it perfect. Yes.
When you're engaged in spreading Krishna consciousness by your singing or studying back to God and to speaking with people, through our senses like seeing and hearing and touching and smelling, our mind gets distracted even while we're engaged in studying back to Godhead, then how can we always return to that point of remembering, even though our senses are being dragged by billboard signs and so many
No, suppose you are selling back to Godhead. Does it not remind you Krishna? Does it not remind you about Krishna? What for you are selling back to God? You could sell another popular magazine which could sell very nicely, quickly, thousands of copies. Why have taken this back to God? For Krishna. You are not for business, you are not ordinary, I am a newspaper seller. Why you have taken back to God? Your motive is that people may know about Krishna. That is your motive. If magazine selling is your business, you can take any other sense gratification magazine, there are so many, and you can sell, you can make some profit. So, we have to mold our life in such a way that we shall always remember Krishna. Therefore, remembering Krishna is my primary business. And we have to act in such a way that we may not forget Krishna. That should be the principle. That is the secret. Therefore it is equally good for anyone, because we can engage anyone in the business of Krishna. If somebody has no, knowledge, he can simply sweep over the floor of Krishna's temple. That will make him remembering Krishna, that I am cleansing the floor of Krishna's temple. He is as good as the editor of Back to God. Yes.
I think the Lord is all about practicing this Krishna consciousness when he's asleep.
Yes, just as sleep means your gross senses are stopped, but your mind works. Therefore you dream. So if you practice your mind to be engaged in Krishna consciousness, in dream also you'll see that you are preparing prasadam, I am going to sell back to Godhead. That's all. Sometimes, some nights, when I feel hungry, I dream that I am eating Krishna Prasadam, very sounds. Somebody is supplying me nice paratha and I am eating. Oh. But being hungry, my hunger is not satisfied. I am eating it till the dream is end. So, if you practice, this is the technique. We have to practice in this way that when all functions of this body will be stopped at the time of death, we shall remember somewhere or other Krishna and success. Immediately success. That is the technique.